Welcome back everyone, this is Kenichi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel and together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, so for today's episode guys, since it is November 1, I think this is a great time to draw my dog and her female version. Because this sort of thing kinda symbolizes gratitude for me and for this channel. So, let's not waste any more time, let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So the vibe that I'm going for here is somewhat kind of a horror plus fantasy, okay? And my way of that is that I put an Halloween outfit for my dog and Alexa. So I'll get back to you guys after I'm done with the flat colors and shading. Okay, welcome back guys. So here is our progress so far. So I'm done with the flat colors and the shading of the illustration. So now I'm gonna show you how I made my backgrounds, okay? So for this time, I made my background using an image from the internet, okay? So here it is. It is sort of like a forest, an enchanted forest. And what I'll be doing now is to refine this background and make it my own. Okay, so here is the result. Okay, so I put some lake and refine the trees and the branches, and sort of like combining it to the overall piece. Okay, so I'm gonna make some adjustments here, some gradient maps and some lighting to it. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our illustration so far. So in this stage, I'm done with the gradient maps and the color balance to the overall piece. So now, before I light my illustration, I put some levels to darken it up. Okay, so maybe it's not very clear in the video, but that's how I made it. And then I made a layer which is in overlay mode. Okay, so I've used blue lighting and yellow lighting for this piece. Okay, so I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you for the final illustration. So now I'm done with the illustration and I'm so happy about it because it turns out to be really cool and very beautiful to my perspective. And I hope you like this video, and let's share it to anybody who will benefit from it. And let's always remember that this video will always be a representation of gratitude and being positive in our life. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you have any questions regarding to my process, feel free to comment them down below and I will make sure to answer them all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.